documentary fire. I'm Captain Singer, Engine 33. Firefighter.
Have you ever been affected by a fire? Thank you. Have you ever been affected by a fire? No? No?
Today we have with us, traumatized, Alexis Dillon, a fire victim.
I'm Alexis Dillon. In the last 4 minutes you've seen me wearing the same clothes. I got in a terrible accident. Now, I only make water.
Wow. How did this fire start, Alexis Dillon?
I was baking my no-bake cookies, and it caught on fire, the oven. It did. 350 degrees. Greasy hot pan and all those horrible... Don't watch me. Watch Rachel Ray.
How did this fire affect you or traumatize your life?
Well, I lost my leg. My face, even though now it's much prettier. And my identity. I also lost the wonderful American accent that I've always had. Fire in an ash of storms and loneliness.
And his another victim, Charlotte Davidson. And cut. How were you affected by the fire?
I was watching Glee, and all of a sudden, I felt heat in my hand. It was my cat. He got
Are you ready to talk about it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how did this fire start?
I'm not quite sure. I think my cat had a hairball.
Did you lose anything in the fire?
My eyebrow.
What happened to your cat?
Passed. I kept her tail. Hung it on my wall.
What did you learn?
Never watch Glee by yourself.
Or with a cat? I'm Captain Singer, signing off. Huzzah! And today we have with us Alexis Dillon, a traumatized fire victim.
I'm Alexis Dillon. Stop it.
So, how did this fire start? How did it arise from the deep depth of evil fire?
Well, I was making my no-bake cookies. And then the oven caught on fire. I didn't know what to do. Wait a minute. I lost my accent.
Well, how did this fire start?
I was...
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Hey, have you ever been affected by a fire?